Have you ever called out your toddler's name or tried to get their attention, only for them to seem completely unfazed, as if they did not hear a thing? If your toddler frequently ignores your voice or does not respond to sounds as consistently as you would expect, it is definitely a good idea to consider having their hearing checked by a professional. This is because a child's ability to hear is incredibly important for their speech and language development, their social skills, and even their safety. When a toddler consistently misses auditory cues, it could indicate a hearing difference that impacts how they process sound, rather than just selective listening. They might be hearing some sounds, but not others, or sounds might be muffled or distorted, making it difficult for them to understand speech. Hearing loss in young children can be temporary, like that caused by ear infections that fill the middle ear with fluid, or it can be more permanent. Even a mild or fluctuating hearing loss can significantly affect a child's ability to learn new words, form sentences, and engage in conversations. Catching any hearing concerns early is crucial because it allows for timely intervention, helping to ensure your child stays on track with their developmental milestones. The first step is to share your observations and concerns with your pediatrician. They can help evaluate the situation and, if necessary, provide a referral to a pediatric audiologist. These specialists are experts in testing the hearing of young children and can perform specific assessments designed for toddlers. Tests might include otoacoustic emissions, which check the inner ear's response to sound, or auditory brainstem response testing, which measures how the brain responds to sounds even while your child is sleeping. Another common test for toddlers is called visual reinforcement audiometry. During this test, your child is conditioned to turn their head towards fun visual rewards like dancing toys or videos when they hear a sound. This makes the hearing assessment a positive and engaging experience for them. The audiologist can then determine the softest sounds your child can hear and across which pitches, providing a detailed picture of their hearing ability. Understanding your toddler's hearing health early empowers you to provide them with the best support for their communication and learning journey. Taking proactive steps ensures that any potential hearing challenges are addressed, helping your child thrive and fully engage with the world around them.